Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've been doing this video on how to make a wreath with leaves. And I did one earlier, and I used Corel 2018 and Object to Path. But I actually think in this case, the blend tool in any version will work better. I've got this one slanted backwards, I've got this one slanted forward, and it's smaller. I'm going to still make it a little bit smaller for the video. And as long as they're kind of on the same plane, so I brought it in an indexing line, I'm going to open up the blend docker. I'm going to select both my objects, and I'm going to say 11. And I'm going to hit apply. And let's go more. That's one thing I like about the blend tool. You can add to it even more. And what it did, it kind of makes it look like they're falling or growing at different intervals. I like it. So Control G and make a duplicate of it. Holding down the control button and mirroring it in the opposite direction, I evidently didn't make a duplicate of it. And then holding it down and going up. That might be a little bit too much slope. You could have maybe started with, let's just back up here. It's that easy, it's that quick, it's that fun. Let's make this one not quite as slanted. And I've got my rotation on right there. So I can let's just rotate it kind of forward. Now let's get the blend tool, effects, blend. 20 is the default. We had 15 a while ago. That looks a little better. Now I would actually, like we did in the previous video, I would break this all apart. Break blend group apart. And then I would take and ungroup everything. Where you could get one of these lighter color ones and put it in the back of the page. You could that easily change your pattern so it doesn't look so uniform. That looks a lot better. Then Control G and make a duplicate of it. Control D and make Control G and make a group it. Control D, make a duplicate, and then hold down the control button and do that right there. Now I would actually set my nudge factor on 0.001, grab one of them and put them a little closer together, holding down the shift button and make it go a little bit faster. And that looks pretty good. And you could do a lot of other things with it. Control G and group it, double click on it, and actually skew it. You know, make it completely different. You could just make it smaller, make it thinner, and do a lot with that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.